In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove your resume from LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly where your uploaded resumes live in LinkedIn and how to remove the one you no longer want available for future applications. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. From the results, click the official LinkedIn website to open it. Once you're on LinkedIn's homepage, look to the top navigation bar and select the Me icon. This opens a drop-down where you'll choose Settings and Privacy. That's where LinkedIn keeps the controls for your account and application data. Inside Settings and Privacy, find the section labeled Data Privacy. This area focuses on how your information is stored and used across LinkedIn's features. Within Data Privacy, locate Job Seeking Preferences. This is where LinkedIn groups all the settings that affect job applications, visibility to recruiters, and the files you've uploaded to apply for roles. Next, click Job Application Settings. This page shows the resumes and application details LinkedIn can use to speed up easy apply submissions. You'll see the list of any resumes you have previously uploaded. Take a moment here to identify the exact file you want to remove, especially if you've uploaded multiple versions over time. To delete a resume, click the three dots menu next to that specific file. In the menu that appears, choose Delete. If LinkedIn asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. The file will be removed from your LinkedIn application settings and will no longer be available for future easy apply submissions. A couple of quick notes to keep things clear. Deleting a resume here removes it from LinkedIn's stored files for upcoming applications. It doesn't change or retract resumes you may have already submitted to employers. If you plan to apply again later, you can always upload a fresh, updated version from your device at any time. Also, if you don't immediately see the change, refresh the page and confirm the resume no longer appears in the list. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. LinkedIn occasionally updates menu names, but the path remains similar. Me, then Settings and Privacy, Data Privacy, Job Seeking Preferences, and finally Job Application Settings. Staying within that flow will get you to the right spot. That's it. You've successfully removed your resume from LinkedIn's application settings, keeping your account tidy and your future applications aligned with your most up-to-date documents.